Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the hardware works and permissions are granted. Plug the mic into the same port or test it on another device to rule out hardware failure. Once done, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone, and allow access for apps that need it. Make sure the device appears in Sound Input and set it as the default device. Adjust the input volume slider to about 75% and observe the indicator while you speak, so you know it's responding. You now update drivers and run focused troubleshooting to address software causes. Open Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click the microphone and choose Update Driver. If that fails, uninstall device and restart. Windows will reinstall it. Next, run the recording audio troubleshooter via Settings System, troubleshoot other troubleshooters to apply quick fixes. Also, open Sound Control Panel, select the mic, go to Properties Advanced, and set the sample rate to 16-bit, 44,100 Hz. Disable enhancements to avoid automatic level drops. You finish by resetting services and verifying routes to the mic. Press Win+R, Run Services. MSC, find Windows Audio and Windows Audio in Point Builder, then restart both services to clear glitches. If the mic is still quiet, try different USB ports or a powered hub and test with another app to isolate software conflicts. For immediate gain, use an app like OBS or Voicemeeter to increase input level. But if clarity or required volume is still low, replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.